Very early on in life, I discovered the passion and the joy of helping people to find answers, to dream dreams, and to achieve their goals. Today, I would like to invite you to participate in my new project. After many years of experience as a spiritual counselor and as a life coach, I can testify that not having goals bigger than ourselves and or not knowing how to achieve those goals is one of the biggest existential battles that we can face in life. Unfortunately, not many give themselves the time to find answers which will make the difference between living a monotonous and fruitless life or living a life to the fullest of its potential. I am a life coach and I have a private practice where I help my clients to identify their goals and to develop new powerful habits and strategies to achieve those goals. In addition, I help my clients to replace the limiting beliefs that may have been holding them back and to replace them with new powerful beliefs that will help them to improve their personal and business relationships. Next week, I will begin a new video series on life coaching in this very channel, and I would like you to be a part of that. In this video series, I will share with you some of what I do as a life coach. I will also have on the regular basis guests, trained and professional guests that will help me throughout this new project. And I particularly one coach. I'm very happy and I'm very excited that she accepted and that she is going to be part of this project. I will not say anything more, so you have to come back next week to see who she is. Finally, I would like to encourage you to participate through your questions and through your comments. We will try to answer these questions to the best of our abilities. So stay tuned. Until then, have a successful and blessed day.